Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can create this kind of a CNC panel design inside 3D Studio Max in under 5 minutes. So let's get started, and first of all let's find out a design, and I have downloaded this design in this example. So what we can do is we can open this design inside Photoshop. Alright, so after that you have to go and do a select and click on the color range and select the white part here, adjust the fuzziness and hit OK. So you can get a nice selection of your areas. So the next thing is select a marquee tool and right click over the area and click make work path. So after clicking this, you will get a message that what tolerance you want to apply for these paths. You can keep it between 1 to 5 depending on the design. So let's go with the tool right here and click OK. So this will convert the selection into paths, as you can see. For such areas that are not, that are still irregular, you can go on the pen tool, hit P, and by clicking Control, you can adjust the vertices and you can adjust the Bezier curve with the selection over here, or you can even add another vertex to get such kind of a sharp edge effect. And after that, once you're done with it, you can, what you can do is you can go to the file, export, and click on the paths to Illustrator. Once done, you will get a message for exporting the work path right here and click OK. Now just save the pattern. Let's say pattern 03, and make sure you will export this in the Illustrator file type and click save. All right. So now just open 3D Studio Max and click on the file, go to import and import and click on the pattern you have just exported from the Photoshop. Select the pattern and open. And for this message, it's asking you to merge the object with the current scene, or you can completely replace the current scene. So I'm going to merge it with my current scene and hit OK. And it will ask you that you want a separate shapes or you want a single object. So I'm going to go with the single object. Click OK, and you can see this will create that pattern and import it in 3D Studio Max as an editable spline. Now just apply simple extrude modifier on the top and you will get a nice CNC panel design in under 5 minutes. So Let's apply an array modifier at the top to get this nice continuous CNC panel effect. You can do this with any kind of design, right? I I have I have downloaded another design like this. I have applied an invert and merge the two layers. Now I will just go in the select color range, select the white part, adjust the fuzziness, and hit OK. After that, you have to go on in activate marquee tool and select it, or right click on any area and click make work path. Make sure to adjust the tolerance. Right now it's 2. Let's go with the 2 and hit OK. Make sure the your areas will get, you know, converted to the path. Right here it's some needs some adjustments, and let's do a tolerance of 1. That's much better. Yeah, so let's export this, export paths to Illustrator and work path and hit OK. Just save the pattern and hit save and switch to max. And inside max, what you can do is go to the file, import, click on import and click on the pattern and hit open. Merge objects with current scene, yes, and as merge as a single object, it will ask me. It is basically asking me about the uh, name. So let's rename the file and click on OK. So this will import your pattern as a editable spline and apply an extrude modifier on top, and you will get your CNC panel design in seconds. Use array modifier for the modifications, or you can use array modifier with radial distribution.